People of the State of Michigan versus Zachary Ryan Schrock, 2123813. Mr. Schrock is here. He was supposed to be this morning for a plea, but we couldn't get to him in time. So we're here today this afternoon with Mr. Schrock for a plea. Mrs. Hines is his attorney and Mr. Gabriel is the prosecutor. Mr. Schrock, you are going to enter a plea, so raise your right hand, please. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gabriel, it has only one count. What's the offer?
Your Honor, my understanding, Mr. Schrock will enter plea of guilty. We're going to recommend that the court sentence him concurrent with cases that he's already pled to. I believe he's represented by Mr. Stutesman. I don't have that case number.
We can't hear you, Mr. Gabriel. You're cutting out.
Okay.
Run concurrent with the case he's already pled to. Is that right?
Correct.
And that's already set for sentencing on July 9th?
Yes, and they adjourn. Well, they adjourned. There was a bunch of adjournments to come up with a date, so I couldn't even tell you when the date is.
Okay. All right. But this one would be set at the same time as sentencing for his other case.
Yes.
Okay. Is that correct, Ms. Sines?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Schrock, the offer is that you plead as charged to a charge of possession of methamphetamine, a felony, punishable by up to 10 years and or a fine of up to $15,000. And unless sentenced to more than 1 year in prison, the court shall impose license sanctions. DNA was to have been taken upon conviction. And this would run concurrent with your other file that you're currently set for sentencing on July the 9th. Is that your understanding?
Yes, sir.
And you're not on probation or parole anywhere else, is that right?
That's right.
So how do you plead to the charge of possession of methamphetamine?
Guilty.
Now, has anyone promised you anything other than what we talked about in court today?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you?
No.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
And you understand that if I accept your plea, you'll be giving up your right to have a trial and all the rights that you would have had at trial. Those include the right to be tried by a jury, to be presumed innocent until proven guilty, to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, to have the witnesses against you appear at trial and to question those witnesses, to have the court order witnesses you have for the defense to appear at trial, to remain silent during the trial and to not have that silence used against you, or to testify at trial if you want to testify. You understand you're giving up all those rights?
Yes, sir.
And you also understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal certain issues that would otherwise be appealable if convicted at trial.
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me what happened. It says that on or about February 2nd, 2021, you were in the village of Constantine, County of St. Joseph, State of Michigan. Is that true?
No, I was in Three Rivers.
It would have been Centerville.
Oh, yeah, yep. Yes, sir.
Remember it now?
340 West Main, Centerville,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Okay,
Yep.
so they searched an apartment there of yours and they found the a methamphetamine. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
A residue baggie was found in the back bedroom as well as other items for methamphetamine use. The baggie was clear in color and contained a white crystalline residue. Is that what they found?
Yes, sir.
And was that the methamphetamine?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are counsel satisfied that a factual basis has been established by the defendant's statement of facts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are either counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or inducements?
No.
No, Your Honor.
Court call the court roll.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, the court has.
I find the plea made as accurate, understanding, voluntary. There's a factual basis. Therefore, I accept the plea. We'll set this for sentencing on July 9th. Lisa, does he need to fill out yet another packet, or was the one he did going to be good enough?
That should be fine.
All right, so you don't need to fill out another packet. We'll go from there. Okay? All right, we'll see you back here on July the 9th.
All right, thank you.